my plastic mulch lifter. But one of the things I wonder is if being level or not makes a difference. So I'm going to come out here to last year's potato field, and I'm going to actually just use this tool just a few feet. I'll put it in the ground, and then I'll see how level it is. If it's not level, I'll try to make some adjustments before we get over here and start ripping up plastic. See if that can make a difference for us. So I think I'm just going to turn left right here. I'm not going very far, and we'll give it a shot. So we have this all the way down, but it don't look level, does it? No, that end, yeah, that has to come up. Hold that. How level am I, Delia? The bubble still's off, right?
Yeah, it's still off.
Let me, here you go. I'll let you take it. I'll keep going.
That looks good.
Right there?
Yeah. Check it.
Yeah. Well, I have a level one now. Delia, you just stay here. I'm going to pull forward and see if my adjustments made any difference. You know what I mean? We'll measure it again. Check the level.
No, it's up.
It went the other way a little bit. So I wondered if that wasn't going to be the case once I got it done.
Nope, now it's the other way again.
Well, it's close. How much?
It's going
Just a
like
little
that.
bit? You know, part of it could be just what I'm sitting on.
The dirt, yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, it's okay. But we're right there again, a quarter.
Yeah, it goes like that.
Tell you what, we're going to compromise.
But this time, this side is too high.
Yeah.
This side is
There you go. I brought it. We're going to call that good. We're going to try to get our Berry Hill plastic mulch lifter to work for us. Let's give it a shot. let's get another row done, but we're doing pretty good. This is 2-year-old plastic, so let's see how we do here. I think it's doing pretty good considering we got wet conditions. I knew I had this water line hooked in there, but not much I could do about it. There's a gap here, but if it gets hung up, it gets hung up. It really didn't bring it down. So I just got to make sure everything's clear off of it. I'm very happy with it. I do think there might be some value if a person wants to go ahead and add like a rain barrel or 50-gallon barrel full of water to add more weight back here to help hold it down. But right now it's ripping it up, and I think that this would rip a lot better if I would have put it down in the spring, ripped it up in the fall. I think a lot of these ripping issues that I'm going through would be negated by just being on time. So let me go ahead. I got 3 more rows here to do, and then I can get out here and pick all this stuff up. But anyway, no one wants to spend the job doing this job, but thank goodness I have this Berry Hill irrigation plastic mulch lifter.